Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Summer Collection. So this is like the California, I don't know exactly if it's called like their summer collection, the California Love collection, I don't know. But it's this collection right here. So I wasn't originally going to film with this collection because I was like, I don't know if like people want to see it. But then I got a lot of requests in my DMs to film and do like swatches and stuff. And I'm going to a pool party barbecue thing right now. I thought this was like the perfect collection to wear for that kind of thing. So basically you guys are gonna be getting ready with me because I am leaving soon. So let me just talk about this collection really quick. So in this collection we have a palette. So it's this palette right here, 2 BFF Mascaras, 5 Ultra Blotted Lips. So this collection has already launched. I will insert swatches of the products as I am talking about them. I have the California Love palette. This is what she looks like right here. There are 12 eyeshadows in this palette. There are 7 mattes, 4 shimmers, and 1 pressed glitter. It's like a palette that's perfect for all of you neutral lovers, warm tone lovers. This palette is for you. It retails for $18. We have 2 new BFF mascaras. We have Brownie Points and Lovers Coral, and these retail for $8 each. And then we have 5 Ultra Blotted Lips in this collection as well. One of these is already an existing shade. It was one of the ones that came in the birthday collection. It's Swing Away. But we have Scenic Route, Cypress Chill, Oh Hi There, Swing Away, and then Double Double, and then these retail for $7 each. There is a bundle. I'm looking at like the website right now. So there is a bundle of Scenic Route, Cypress Chill, and Oh Hi There for $18. So you do save a couple dollars doing that bundle. Pretty much it for that collection. Let me see what else. There are some bundles on the website, so let me kind of touch over those. You can buy this entire collection for 60 bucks. Everything is still available on the website, by the way. There is a bundle palette and then 2 of the cream gel liners for $25. It's really funny because one of the cream gel liners that I used in the video is actually in one of the bundles, and I didn't even realize that. I didn't look at this before when I was filming that. So we have the palette, the Get Paid gel liner, and then the Overboard gel liner. So that is a bundle for 25 bucks. And there's also another bundle called California Girls. It comes with the palette, a pressed powder highlighter, and then a pressed powder bronzer. The highlighter is Main Attraction, and then the bronzer is Opening Act. I have that bundle for $28. I think that's pretty much it. Those are all the bundles, and then obviously everything is available individually. It's enough of me rambling. I did do a little tutorial on this look right here, and I do give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. So if you guys want to see how to get this look and hear my review on this collection, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with the palette. My eyes are already primed. I use the new ABH eye primer, so I'm testing it out still. I'm going to start off with the shade Gnarly, which is this shade right here. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. I'm still getting used to this primer and like not setting it and stuff, so I'm just going to place that down. You guys know already how I apply my eyeshadow. I just stamp it down and then start blending it out. It's just a little bit darker than it looks in the pan. In the pan it looks really light. Going in with Laguna, and it's that shade right there. It's just a little bit more yellowy orangey, so I'm doing the same exact thing, basically just going right on top of where we put that other shade down. This is just gonna add a lot more warmth to the look. I really like that other shade that we used as a transition shade because it wasn't too warm and it's also not too cool. It's like really neutral. It's like one of those shades that you can literally just like throw in on the crease, throw in the crease and call it a day. I'm bringing that up a little bit as well. Going in with a little bit of a smaller fluffy brush and with Gold Rush, which is that shade right there. I place that on my outer corner. This one's a lot more warm, like a reddish brown tone. Damping that where I want the color to be, and then just blending that into the crease. I'm not going all the way in to the crease, like towards the inner corner. I'm just kind of keeping that on the more outer part of my eye. It's too early right now, you guys, to be filming. I like never film this early, so I'm like still trying to like function. It's not really working. I'm gonna go back with the other brush that we were using to blend the edges out and blend everything together. I'm taking a little bit more of Laguna to blend those 2 shades together. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Highway 1. Take that on a Time 206 and just put that on the outer corner to add some depth to the look. I just want to focus this on the outer corner. That's actually a really nice warm brown. It just adds so much more depth to the look. You see, like, compared to this side, so much more depth. And I'm gonna go back with the brush that I use Gold Rush on to blend that out. I need like a little bit of a bigger brush actually, and mixing Highway 1 and Mission. That one's more of like a cool tone brown. I'm just gonna really just buff that in the outer corner. Okay, so for the lid, I'm taking this shade called Diego. It is literally like the prettiest gold. It's not too warm, but it's not too like yellowy or orange. It's just like that perfect bronzy shade. So I'm gonna take some on a brush first. I'm gonna wet this because it looks a little like it's not really, it looks like it'll stick better with some wetness to the brush. So I'm just gonna place that. Oh my god, this color is it. I have such a hard time finding golds that aren't too like yellow or like too orange or like way too warm. This one is literally like perfect. It's so pretty and wet. Wow. So I'm just putting that on my lid. I'm also bringing that up a little bit into the crease. I just like haven't been feeling cut creases lately. I really have been liking bringing my shadows like way up into my crease. I just like the way it kind of accentuates my eye a little bit better. But I do love me a cut crease every now and again. Go over that with my finger a little bit just to kind of soften it up. So I'm going to put some glitter on top of that because there is a pressed glitter in here. I'm taking a little bit of Highway 1, blending that into that gold shade. I kind of want to take a little bit of Cruisin', which is a little bit of like a lighter gold, and I kind of want to just take a little bit of that and put that like right here. I don't even know if that's gonna really do anything because I'm gonna probably cover this up with glitter, but I just want to add it. Actually, I think it does. I think it made it a little bit more like yellowy. Okay, whatever. I'm probably gonna cover this up right now with glitter. So I'm taking El Capitan, which is the glitter. It's a pressed glitter in here, and I have a video on the Colourpop pressed glitters. I will put that up in a little eye thingy, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of that with my finger and just kind of press that. Ooh, that's a pretty glitter. I don't want too much. I kind of just want like a slight glitter effect, like when I turn my eye and stuff. So I don't want to put like too much. Also, like, that's really pretty. And I'm not going in with like a glitter glue or anything. I'm really just pressing it on. It's a really pretty glitter. It has like different multicolored glitter. When I'm out in the sun later, it's gonna look really pretty. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and I'll come back and do the lower lash line and then use the mascaras and the lips and stuff, but I will be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and did the rest of my face, applied some translucent powder. I'm baking right now. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with one of the cream gel liners from Colourpop. This is in the shade Get Paid. It's just like a coppery penny color almost. I feel like it'll go really good with this look. Love these liners so much. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna just go in with Laguna first, which was that, run that along the lower lash line. I'm going in with Gold Rush, which was that, I'll show you. It was this shade right here. Basically, we're just doing what we did on the top, just replicating that on the lower lash line. And with a little smudger brush, I'm going in with Highway 1, which was that deeper brown shade, that like right at the lash line. So for mascara, I'm going to apply the BFF mascara, the black one, to my top lashes really quick. I didn't focus too much on my top lashes. I'm going to just apply lashes anyway. What we're really here for is for the lower lash line. I'm going to use one of the new mascaras from this collection. We have Brownie Points and Lover's Coral. I kind of want to use the Lover's Coral one just because it'll add like a really fun pop of color to this more like warm neutral-ish look. So I'm taking Lover's Coral. It's really pretty. You can tell on camera, it just adds like a really subtle pop of like corally pink to the lower lash line. I really like it. You guys know I've talked about this before. I love the BFF mascaras. I think they're all so good. So I'm so excited that they keep adding more colors. It almost looks like I put like more pink eyeshadow on the lower lash line, even though I didn't. So that's why I really like the like colorful mascaras on the lower lash line. I think they're really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes really quick, and then we'll come back and do the lips. So I went ahead and applied lashes. These are the Bold Face Makeup Forget Me Not lashes. I just found these again. I wore them once and then I lost them, and I was so sad because I loved them so much. I just found them again. They're like the prettiest lashes ever. So we have 5 Ultra Blotted Lips, and I love the Ultra Blotted Lip formula. So one of them is from actually the birthday collections, an existing shade already, but I believe the rest of them are all new. Lean towards, obviously, these two. I feel like since they are ultra blotted, they are a little bit more sheer, but the formula is so good. If you guys haven't tried the Ultra Blotted Lips yet, you need to. They're so good. Okay, let's try this one first and see how it looks. This one is Scenic Route. I love the formula. Okay, this one's a little too nude for me right now. I'm gonna go with Cypress Chill. Yeah, Cypress Chill. This one looks a more like browny, pinky rosy. So I just like to apply them like to my bottom lip and then just kind of do that thing. So pretty. I do want to mix a little bit of the other one in it too, the Scenic Route. Let's see how that looks. I never mixed the Ultra Blotted Lips. I like it. So this one's a little bit more bright, fun colors, which are cute, just not for like the look that I'm going for today. And this is the finished look. Actually, I feel really pretty in this look. I haven't done like a really warm tone gold brown look in a really long time, I feel like, so I'm feeling really cute right now. I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. So the palette, for a neutral palette, you guys know, or like more like a brown warm tone palette, you guys know I really don't reach for palettes like this that often anymore. But I really, really like this one, and if you like these tones, you will not be disappointed with this palette. I honestly would buy this palette for that lid shade alone. It is so pretty, that shade Diego. It is like that perfect gold that I'm always searching for, so I really like that. A good amount of mattes in here too, which I think is really good. There's a pressed glitter in here that you can really just kind of pack on and just add like a really slight shimmer or glitter to your eye look and really just kind of take it to the next level. If you like these colors and you see yourself wearing them every single day, pick it up. I think it's really good. I like the colors in here a lot. Mascaras, I really, really like this coral one. It's not too bright, so I think this would actually be really good if you want to kind of dabble and like, you know, dip your foot into like the colored mascara world. This one isn't too dramatic, and I think it adds like a really pretty pop of color, but not anything where I'm like, oh, you're wearing pink on your lower lash line. It just adds like something so subtle. Obviously haven't tried the brownie points one yet, but I will try that out soon, but I'm sure it's good. I've used all the other BFF mascaras and they're all really good. For the lip products, I really just love the Ultra Blotted Lip formula. I wish that they would come out with Ultra Blotted Lips more often. The formula is so good and very unique. I honestly don't really have any lip products that are like the Ultra Blotted Lips, but they come out with like more nude neutral shades, because I feel like a lot of their Ultra Blotted Lips are more brighter shades like this. If you're gonna pick up any of the lip products, pick these two up because I just love these colors and I think they look really pretty. You can build them up or definitely even sheer it out more than this too. Like you could just kind of like dab it on and then kind of like rub your lips together and do more of like that like popsicle pout lip, you know, or you can kind of just do it like this where it looks a little bit more sheer. Overall, I think the whole collection is really nice. I would say everything in the collection was good. There was not one thing that I was like, oh, like, you know, you can skip on. Maybe just like the brighter lip shades, but that's just because like my personal preference, because I don't really wear brighter lip colors like that and I always gravitate more towards like nude lipstick. So but either way, the whole collection was really good. It is a smaller collection, but you know, small but sweet. Whatever you pick up, I'm sure you guys won't be disappointed. I think this was like really cute collection, perfect for summer. I really like the look that I came up with. I really like the shadows in the palette. I think they're really good, and like I said, I would buy that palette for that first lid shade just by itself. It is so good, and I really like the glitter in there too. So anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.